Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to actually detail the Skyline. Let's bring it in and I'll start on the inside. Alrighty, let's start on the inside. Pretty messy, and having a 5-year-old doesn't help. We're gonna have some lunch first, let the GoPro charge because I didn't charge it overnight, and get stuck into it. Alrighty guys, I'm back. Just got the bin out. Just gonna chuck all the rubbish in the bin and then we'll vacuum. Marley's side. So, pretty much just emptied a bucket of water on myself, but time to give the interior a wipe down with the chamois. What's up? So yeah, just giving the interior wipe down with a wet chamois just to get rid of the dust. And I'll go over it with like a conditioner. Alrighty, got a bit of smuts in the controls here for the driver's seat. That's just a bit of all-purpose interior cleaner. Get that Maguire's brush in there. There's a lot of crap in there. I didn't even think I did this when I first got it. Oh, it looks so much better. Alrighty guys, just finished cleaning. We put a protectant on. Thought I had some Maguire's, but it's actually a cleaner. So I used this Mother's vinyl plastic rubber protection. Got a little bit left, so not going to go too crazy with it. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. I'll find some Windex, or window cleaner, and do the inside of the windows. I'll just give the windows a bit of a wash. It's raining like every second day, so I'm not really going to get to use the outside. I'll do the door jambs when I do the outside. It's so good being in a nice, clean car. Oh, I need petrol again. If you're wondering what they are, it's Marley's 100 Days of School little hat that he made, and that's his Superman cape. So he normally chucks that on the way home, but I'll get him to take it in today. I just want to keep this nice and clean for as long as possible. Right. Oh my god. I just saw a V6 Renault Clio. I've never seen one in the flesh before. It was black and in Murabak. I'll put up a picture of what they look like. If you like this episode, guys, hit the thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll catch you next episode. And have a good weekend. Bye.